Peace Divines. Welcome to Montauk Avenue, and I welcome you to my channel. And if you're new to this channel, welcome. Be sure to like, share, subscribe. And I am simply home. I'm making some lentil soup, okay, for me and my boo. And I decided, I was like, I need to do another video. And I decided I'm always making DIY stuff. Always doing it, always thinking about it. And Boopy needs to have his hair shampooed and conditioned, okay? So I decided to make a conditioner for my boopy. I was going to do a juicing video, but I was like, let me just do a video with the conditioner. So I decided to just do a simple conditioner, and I don't know if he's going to let me do it today. Boopy is always in his own world, okay? But in any event, I still was able to make it. And I definitely think this is more than enough. For this recipe, I simply used shea butter that already had coconut oil in it, and it had lavender in it, so that was a plus. And I simply added some rosemary and some vitamin E and some argan oil, and I was like, that is so nutrient dense right there. There we go. And those are the ingredients. I will be sure, of course, to leave the recipe in the description as well. So I'm going to get into the video so you can see how I made this lovely DIY conditioner for your hair. The first thing I did was I took a shea butter coconut oil lavender mixture, and it's about 1/4 cup, and I proceeded to melt the mixture. And as you will see, it eventually started to melt, and I was melting it because I wanted to add the argan oil to it. And then I proceeded to add the tablespoon of argan oil, and then I mixed that up very nicely. And then I started to smooth out the oil so I could add the aloe vera juice. And it started to look like this. And I added the 7 drops of rosemary. And as you can see, I'm just waiting for the rosemary to drop. And you had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and I think another one fell out. There we go. Oh, another one. And then I added some vitamin E, and about a teaspoon or so. And I made sure to mix that up very nicely, of course, so it can be all smooth. And so I hope you enjoyed the video, Divines, and be sure to check out my other DIY videos, okay? And as always, I always look forward to seeing my Divines. And remember to hit the notification button so you can be notified of more videos. And as always, be at peace, be true to yourself, be well. Peace Divines.